How to create a Zelle account. Wanna send money quickly and securely? In this tutorial I'll show you how to create a Zelle account. Register and set up the Zelle app on your phone in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. Start by downloading the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app. Tap Get Started to begin the registration process. You'll be asked to enter your mobile phone number or email address, so make sure to use the one link to your bank account. Zelle is partnered with major banks, so you'll need to link your account. Search for your bank in the app and follow the instructions to connect. If your bank is not listed, you can use Zelle through your bank's mobile app. You'll receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the code into the app to verify your identity and confirm your phone number or email. Now personalize your profile by adding your name and a profile picture, and this makes it easy for people to send money to you. After completing the setup, you're ready to send and receive money. So simply enter the recipient's email or phone number, enter the amount, and hit send, and it's that easy to use. Thanks for watching.